Kessler KBG370 bonesaw. Built entirely of 300 for stainless steel with IP65 waterproof rating. This saw perfectly cuts frozen chilled bone-in, meat and fish. Fitted with hull, switches and a 24V safety switch. It ensures reliable operation. Double groove, pulleys and 0.015 low. Vibration deliver stable cutting, less friction and material waste. Cutting thickness is easy to adjust, and the machine can be cleaned tool-free. With a max blade speed of 26 m sand to 0.2 kilowatts power. It features smooth cuts and long service life.